Food wrapping paper, also known as butter paper, is widely used not only in bakeries, food packaging, but also in arts, crafts, and textile and apparel sectors. Nowadays, when you eat out at a hotel, restaurant, cafe, or food court, or order online, you must have noticed that the food is always wrapped in food wrapping paper or butter paper. Yes, this food wrapping paper market is growing steadily as most governments have banned the use of plastic in the food and restaurant sectors. Moreover, the Indian food service packaging industry is estimated to be worth over 12,000 crore rupees, and food wrapping paper is a big piece of that bag. Therefore, starting this food wrapping paper manufacturing business can be very profitable due to the increasing demand. In this situation, if you are looking for a simple yet fast-growing business idea, then starting a food wrapping paper manufacturing business might be your perfect move. In today's video, we will take an in-depth look at how to start a profitable food wrapping paper business. Come, let's start. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market demand for food wrapping paper. Food wrapping paper may seem like a small product, but the demand is huge. Yes, everyone from roadside vendors to premium restaurants uses food wrapping paper in some form or another. Moreover, with the rise of sustainable packaging trends in fast food and online food delivery, food wrapping paper is becoming a must-have item. The food wrapping paper market size was estimated at $384 billion in 2024. And it is expected to reach $595 billion by 2032. So whether you are in a metropolitan city or a small town, this product has a year-round demand. The best part? It is not seasonal. Because the more people eat food outside, the more food wrapping paper is used. So you can sell it all year round. Plus, as the government promotes eco-friendly packaging, the scope is set to grow in the coming years. So start this business that has led you to earn lakhs of rupees every month with minimal investment. Raw materials for business. To manufacture food wrapping paper, you need a high-quality food-grade base paper, usually with a GSM between 30 to 60 that should meet FSSAI and food safety standards for safe use in food packaging. Additionally, a food-safe coating substance like paraffin or soy-based wax or silicone emulsion is used to make the paper grease-proof and moisture-resistant. Other materials may include adhesives, printing ink if branding is required, and packaging materials for bundling the final product. These can be sourced from local paper mills or wholesalers in industrial hubs like Delhi, Ahmedabad, or Hyderabad. Or you can source them online from B2B platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, or Alibaba. Machines for business. Now let's talk about machinery. In this food wrapping paper manufacturing business, the primary machine you need is a food-grade paper coating machine. Additionally, you'll require a paper slitting and rewinding machine to cut large rolls into smaller usable sizes, and a sheet cutting machine if you plan to sell wrapping paper in sheet form. These machines are available in semi-automatic and fully automatic variants, depending on your production scale and budget. The main advantage is that these machines can run on a single-phase connection, making it possible to operate them from home without needing a separate power connection. You can buy these machines from trusted suppliers in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Coimbatore, or even get them online through IndiaMart, Trade India, and Alibaba website. Investment for business. Now let us discuss the investment. The investment depends on the size and level of automation. For a small-scale setup with a semi-automatic machine, you can start with an investment of around 4 to 6 lakh rupees. This includes the cost of raw materials and packaging materials, employee salaries, branding, electricity cost for the month. Also, if you plan to buy a fully automatic machine or produce on a large scale, the investment can go up to 8 to 15 lakh rupees. So starting this business offers flexible investment options based on your budget and production capacity. Space for business. You don't need a big factory to start this business. Yes, you can start in a small room in your house. 500 to 800 square feet of space is enough for basic setups, including storage, production, and packing. or a medium to large scale industrial setup requires 800 to 1500 square feet of space. Also, there should be easy access to electricity, water, and transportation facilities so that logistics are smooth. Preferably choose a location in a small industrial area, commercial zone, or a rented shed on the outskirts of a city or town to save on costs. More importantly, since you are dealing with food-grade products, make sure that the place is clean and follows hygiene standards. License for business. To start this business in India, you need to register your business under the Small and Medium Enterprises Registration. Next, since this product comes into direct contact with food, an FSSAI or Food Safety and Standards Authority of India license is mandatory. Apart from that, you will need GST registration to legally sell and bill your products. Also, depending on your location, you may need a trade license and a factory license from the local municipal authority if you are operating in a large organization. Lastly, if you are printing on paper, also apply for a BIS certificate to meet industry regulations. Food wrapping paper manufacturing process. The manufacturing process of food wrapping paper is quite simple, but technical. And once you understand the flow, it becomes quite manageable. First, the basic packaging rolls are loaded into the machine. These are usually thin, high-quality paper sheets that are cut to your desired size. Next, a layer of food-grade wax or silicone is applied evenly to the surface in the coating section. This coating makes the paper grease-proof and suitable for packaging food without absorbing oil or moisture. Then after coating, the paper moves through a heating and drying unit. After drying there, the coated paper is sent to the cutting section, where it is cut into standard-sized sheets or rolled into long lengths as required. Finally, the paper is counted, stacked, and packaged for sale in bundles using simple packaging tools or machines. Marketing for food wrapping paper. Marketing is what will make the real difference in your business. So start by targeting your local food vendors, bakeries, restaurants, cloud kitchens, and food delivery brands. Most importantly, offer them customized wrapping papers with their logos, which adds value to them and more business for you. Also create an Instagram page to showcase your product quality, and not only that, list your business on platforms like Just Dial and Google My Business. Also list your business on websites like IndiaMart and Amazon to get a wide range of customers. Also attend food fairs or packaging trade shows in your town or near you to network and build customer relationships. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.